Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial you will learn how to create simple logo with a letter. First, take a type tool and type O. Make sure that you select a font which is suitable. I am using Gotham Black. Resize the font of the size you want. Then select the letter with selection tool and make a copy of it. By pressing Ctrl+C plus Ctrl+F it will create a copy in front. Give this copy another color and place it just beside the other letter. Now press Ctrl+A to select everything and expand the letters in shapes. By going to Object then Expand, do this twice. Let's check if we have some gaps between both letters and get rid of the gaps. Now make a rectangle on the top and bottom of the letters. After that, please select everything by selecting Ctrl+A. Now take a shape builder tool and merge shapes with the help of mouse like this. After this step, let's add a gradient of your own choice from a gradient panel. I'm adding this color. Please select another shape and give it same gradient with the help of eyedropper tool. Now by pressing G or selecting gradient tool manually, adjust the gradient of the shapes. Here you get a cool simple logo from a letter. Please make sure to like our video and consider subscribing my channel. Thank you.